welcome back to Art with Ashley B. That's me. My name is Ashley Belote. I am a professional author and illustrator of books, and today I am going to teach you how to draw a chicken dressed up like a pumpkin because it is Halloween time. So let's get started. Okay, illustrators, our pumpkin chicken is going to begin with a curved line like this. And we'll build the pumpkin part of the costume first and then put the chicken's head on top of it. So from there, we want to do 2 curved lines coming down from each side. And then we'll connect those with another curved line, like this. Okay, we'll add a few details here. A couple more curved lines inside of our pumpkin costume. And we'll put the eyes and the mouth on for the pumpkin costume here. So we'll do 2 eyes that are 2 triangles, 1 and 2. And then we'll add a toothy grin to our pumpkin, a big open mouth smile. I'm going to put 1 tooth in mine. If you'd like to add more, that's totally fine. So there's the main part of our pumpkin costume. So we'll add the chicken's head first, and then we'll do the feet. So from these 2 points, we're going to put 2 lines, 1 and 2. And we'll come in just a little bit on both sides, and we're going to fill the middle with the top of our pumpkin costume. That's like the little hat. And for that, we'll just do an oval here right on top. So we'll put the stem in, which is this kind of shape that comes out from the top of our pumpkin hat. And you can add a couple detail lines here. So now we'll add the face of our chicken that is going to be 2 huge ovals for the eyes. This chicken has very big eyes. 1 and 2. And we'll build the beak by using 2 different shapes. We're going to start with a diamond shape. And we want our chicken to be obviously very happy. We'll pair that with a triangle. Two pupils for the eyeballs here. And I'm adding these little circles, and when I color in my pupils, I won't color inside those teeny tiny circles so that I create an eye highlight in our character's pupils here. Two little eyebrows, 1, 2. And we'll add the feet next. So the feet will be coming out from the bottom of the pumpkin here. So we'll add a couple feathers. Just a little series of curved lines at the bottom. And then 2 tiny lines for the legs, followed by 3 lines out and a 4th short one here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, the last thing we'll add are the wings coming out from the sides of our pumpkin costume here. So we'll add the little holes where the wings will come out of. And similar to how we made the feathers down here at the bottom, we'll employ that same kind of technique to add the wings sitting here on the side. Now we'll add a couple little lines here to indicate feathers because this is a chicken, so we've got some little feathers. So add a couple details like that around. And if you want to add a little vine coming out of the hat, you can do that too. So there we have our pumpkin chicken character. Now we get to add color. So you can get colored pencils, crayons, markers, anything that you would like to color your pumpkin chicken today. This is what I chose to do. The last step that we have to do is sign them because every artist should always sign their work. All right, and there we have our pumpkin chicken. Great job today, illustrators. If you would like to share your illustrations with me, I would obviously love to see them. Feel free to tag me on Instagram at artwithashleyb. Have a very safe and fun and happy Halloween. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I'll see you next time.